The MoxieDori Student Planner and Notes Guide is a two-sided, durable, waterproof, flexible tool designed for use in an affordable, college-ruled composition notebook. The first side of our guide provides a template and primer on the Cornell Notes method of note-taking. In the upper left, we record the topic. In the upper right, we record the date. During the session, we take notes in the central right section. Soon after, we focus in on important terms, concepts, dates, and other cues in the central left section. At the bottom, we summarize the session content so that it's easily referenced in the future. The second side of our guide provides a template for a student planner helpful in organizing schedules and assignments. The composition notebook's two-page spread is divided into three main parts: left, right, and center. On the left, we make a monthly event list recording appointments, birthdays, and holidays. Those are added to the 7-day weekly plan that's created in the center of the spread. On the right, we keep a running to-do list for the week, assigning tasks to specific days of the week and checking them off upon completion. At the end of the week, we fold the right page of the spread in half, transfer any unfinished tasks to the next week's to-do list, fold that portion of the spread under as we turn the page, create the next week's 7-day plan in the center, and move over to our week any events from the still visible monthly event list on the left. Find this guide, journal stencils, tracing cards, and more at MoxieDori.com.